So I'm back with another video at the crypto market. As we've all been doing, we've been looking at it very intensely, trying to guess and see where the price is going to go. So what I'm going to say is, if you've watched my other videos, you would have seen that I'm quite bullish. Looking here at the fee greed index, we're in extreme greed, but when we zoom out, we look at our previous bull market back in 2021. For a lot of the time when the price was going higher, we were very greedy. We were in the high greed ranges. Right now, we're coming back into that bull market. So in the bear market, we're going to have those lower greeds. We're going to be fearful, extremely fearful, and the price is going to be going down more and more. But we're going to still be staying in the fear range. Right now, the price, yeah, we're having a little pullback, which is healthy, which is predictable. But at the same time, we're still in extreme greed. It depends what you want to do. It depends on your strategy. I wouldn't be selling. Yeah, the price is going down, but you would have been accumulating way before this at the better prices. You wouldn't wait for the price to spring up to 50,000 to be buying. You would be buying at around about, well, if you're smart, you would have put everything in at 15,000. You would have been up 3x by now. But realistically, that's not what we've been doing. We've been buying between the 20 and 35,000, and then from there we've just been letting it run. So if we look here at the Bitcoin price, and if we get up one of the EMA ribbons, so on the Bitcoin price here on the 4 hour, what we've had a large run up for the past couple of weeks, and now here, looking at the volume is healthy, very healthy volume. The RSI went higher. What we've got now is kind of got like a bearish divergence. So the price is going up while the RSI is going low. And with this, we're indicating a pullback. So we're getting a pullback, which is healthy. We're not going to go super low. Honestly, if we zoom out a little bit more, we see the level of resistance. I would say here, around about that 41,000 range. That's what we'd be looking at for resistance. Just because we've had this little peak here, and we got it hit the resistance as well from the 200 EMA. So that 40,000 range just makes 47,000 range just makes logical sense. And by then we'd probably get to the below the 30s on the RSI. So that's kind of where I'm expecting it to go. So something similar to this kind of pattern. So we'd go down here, so we'd go down and then we'd spring back up. Just a healthy sort of correction, because we went up to 52, 53,000 and then back down to 47,000. It's a healthy kind of a correction, and that drop there, it's about a 10% drop, which is very normal to see in crypto. So that's what we're looking at Bitcoin. Some of the other ones, Ethereum, Cardano. Cardano is the one which I'm watching because this is one of my larger holdings. This has gone up nicely. It was at, what was it? Was it 24? Yeah. Back at the right at the bottom, it was like 24,000. We're up now about 3x as well. So with the prices, we went up to 63. We were also at 63 earlier on, or later last year. But we haven't even peaked. So Bitcoin has made its moves, but the altcoins haven't moved now. You normally see Bitcoin make its move, then the altcoins make their move. So here, Bitcoin went up early January, if you see. Early January, Bitcoin went up. We had a correction, but then the altcoins followed from there. That's what we see here. Bitcoin's going up, and how now it's having a correction, and it's time for the altcoins to make the move. So if you've got your Solana holdings, Solana, it's been stagnant. It's had a crazy, absolute crazy run. But some of the other coins, such as Matic, Solana, the bigger holdings, the ones which aren't going to be as risky, the ones which aren't going to get rug pulled, these are the ones we want to be looking at. So the moves from the market right now, it's very interesting, and there's a lot happening. If we look on CoinMarketCap over the last 7 days, we've seen a few coins double in price. Filecoin, I'm happy about that one. I've got quite a bit of holdings in there, as well as on the past 24 hours, Uniswap. Okay. That is something I'm somewhat regretting because I was meant to buy Uniswap, but it slipped my mind because I was like, okay, yes, we got Cake, we got Uniswap. Let's see what's happening there. Actually, let's have a look at Cake because if Uniswap's going up, Cake should be going up. Okay, the past. Let's see here. Oh wow, yeah. So Cake's going up and Uniswap's going up. So these swap coins are also going up now as well. What about Sunday Swap? Sunday Swap. I haven't looked at this one in a while because I remember there was so much hype about this when it was getting its initial coin offering. So yeah, when it was first, it was like, oh my. Now it's dropped down so low. So the past year, it's not getting much in terms of the market cap. Yeah, it's nothing. It's kind of flat now. Yeah, there's not much information about the market cap, but it's interesting. There's a lot going on here. We're getting a nice healthy pullback, but a lot of potential to come.